You'll require a size 2 Phillips screwdriver, needle nose pliers and a flathead screwdriver for this repair. Prepare your trolley by placing it on a bench and folding it as shown. Remember to remove the wheels. Twist off the handle grips. Use the larger screwdriver to remove the 9 screws from the handle. Carefully prise apart the 2 sections of the handle, removing the lower section first. Unplug the wiring loom from the circuit board, followed by the on-off switch. Use the screwdriver to gently lever off the on-off button. Using the pliers, loosen and remove the nut and washer. Remove the on-off switch from the handle. Place the new switch into the handle as shown and put the washers and nut into position. Tighten using the pliers. Realign the button and push it into place. Reattach the on-off switch. Replace the lower sections of the handle first, ensuring that the wiring loom does not get trapped. Plug the wiring loom into the circuit board. Again, ensure no wires are trapped when the upper handle is reconnected. Replace the 3 longer screws first. Followed by the 2 shorter screws. And finally the 4 remaining screws. Slide the handle grips back into place.